Yes, big up and respect to all my Jamaica walk by massive. Watch it, I'm cut side of my mother. So, today is a beautiful Saturday morning. I'm going to sell with my mother, see? And we are going to just hold a vibe, hold a easy, and sitting. Right now, as you see on the stall. Yo, we're not calling a stall today, because anything stall, stop. See? So, as you can see, whole heap of food. We have some onion, garlic, onion over here, so it's a brown onion, you know, the purple onion, them, sweet pepper, carrot, gungo, tomato, one bunch of sitting cucumber over there, so sweet pepper, carrot, this are them say them the green gungo, shell gungo, where red peas them, the red peas on here, so it's soft red peas them, and whole heap of sitting. So, this ought to be a very interesting video, so we do this before, but a very long time ago, so we're going to do it today again, where, you don't know, we're going to sell with mommy. Because you know me used to do this when I'm small, so we're going to get back to the roots. Well, I'll vibe with mommy. A long time I don't chill with mommy. Because you know say mommy think this, mommy now I'm going to stop doing this for nobody. So I feel like a vibe, I feel like a energy this year in a old Harbour market. So remember all the people them were there. Please, my beg to support my mother for there in the old Harbour era. See over here, so see? Scallion, thyme, ginger, turmeric. And we have beetroot and Irish over there. So right now, I'm going to be a seller today. So I'm going to try to find out the prices them. Hi, Miss Dara, how are you? Good morning. Yeah, so we're going to find out the prices them and we're going to try to sell in the market today. You see me? No joke, no doubt. So we are going to try to deal with it that way. Yeah. You see me? All right. So, mommy, how much for tomato? Yo, you know right down, you don't make no list of prices them. You have one? Yeah, but I want one, so I can see what I go on. Because we are going to sell today. I don't know my feet so mash up, but you don't know anything I go. Oh, sweet pepper. And then we are all pound, right? Yeah. Sweet pepper 600 a pound. Tomato. Yes, Desireen, what I go on? Happy New Year, Desireen. Yeah, boy, it's rough because me I come up with something. Yeah, there's $100. That alone you want? You sure that alone you want, mommy? You give me my 50. No, yeah, see you get the $100 there. I big up yourself, Desiree. Yeah, so we're there. So carrot, we have fresh. Oh, it's fresh local and foreign. Oh, Irish is. Oh, so local for $400. Now foreign there is for 3. Foreign 3, local for 4. And we have onion 300 a pound, scallion 600, and garlic 600 a pound. So one of them bag out, how much you sell the bag one for? $200. Alright. And garlic there, so what? 200 a pound or one of the bag? Or one of the bag? So one of them garlic here. I feel what, 200? So remember time I sell in the market all $50 and $25. God no. Alright. And what we have here? Beetroot. Beetroot over there, so 400 a pound. Alright. So if you don't watch so far, do me a beg if you like the video. You understand? I'm going to tell all of my old massive them say, make sure you say you don't like the video. And you know, come in the market and I alley in a pussage. You understand? Yeah, then I saw them call him a pussage. And a passage and call us a pussage. Yeah. So we're right in a pussage. I go sell.
Yes, big up to you.
Auntie Dar. Sorry, Mr. Officer. Oh, it's a lady. Never say it.
Auntie Dar knows that one, but I give thanks.
Yeah, give thanks.
And one of your subscribers come in here, what year now?
Yeah.
And she said, big up to Jamaica, walk by.
Yeah.
And she just come in
Fresh,
and she start to buy. She said she see it, the ads, and she just come in and she buy from me and me a bigger up today again.
Alright,
so
that is it. You remember her name?
I don't remember her name. She did a picture with
me. I wish that about your young set today. You know how he is young. I wish that Mr. We are. See, tell mommy say how you
want. You look special. No, me not normally.
What go on, big man? You good?
No, sir. Them something.
We outside. Auntie Taxi. Yeah, buy half a stall today.
No, darling.
Buy half a stall, man.
Why?
We not rich.
Me not rich. Me poor.
Me not say that.
Yes.
All when time me not nothing to eat, me not poor.
Me poor.
Me not poor.
No, me have food, you know, but me still poor.
No, sir, no go so. We that the rich son we have in England.
Which rich son?
No, Sean.
Him poor and me and you.
Sean was here, yo.
Yes, him poor and me and you.
Right? Ginger. Oh, yeah. What's the number there? A little long, I'm not sure how long. We are going to sell it. That's some more going. Rasta man.
Yeah, brother, yes.
All is well, man.
Yes, brother.
That is it. Now we have a shop today. How are them next? Lettuce. That's what we have.
Hybrid, lettuce, hybrid.
Yeah.
I know bread there.
Godfather, you buy already? Buy already? And those gunga alone. Then I should have get some Michelle. You know, say, well, if I time that I go take enough to go share. We have Michelle gunga, you know. Because I always say, you have carrot, you have yam, yellow yam, and white yam, and cashew nut. No. You have cucumber. Yeah. Right, sir. That's all. Before we carry. Yeah, my teacher. Look like a customer. Yeah, man. Oh, things are done already. So they do bookings? Yeah, man. Oh, yeah, man. That's
You guys say one cheap on a carry.
Tiger Bone also too.
You understand? One cheap on a carry.
I need their mother, sister. And the taxi, you the first one. You don't look like I am. Outside, mother. Oh, mother. Hi, teacher. How are you? Done by already?
My lord.
See you, Lord. That's the way I call her, that's all. See you, Lord. Everything got so bad. Who's the call you? You chat too much.
All of them.
Ready? All right. Yeah, man. Yeah, good. You get that?
One push it up your wall. Check where you got.
When people in there? How many when people in there? It's gonna work. What is that there? Oh, that's so hot. Say Lord. All right. Are you ready? Come in, man, make we sell some stuff over here.
Hybrid lettuce over here. Hybrid.
Yeah, like I said, 200 back for them. Big good man, I haven't seen you from high school. How long we not see you? How are you? That is it. Yeah, man, you buy from my mother?
No.
If you buy from my mother, man, we introduce you to mommy. Where you buy today?
I know, I'm not buying anything.
You not buying nothing today?
No.
Come on, sell you, you know. All right. Sell, we say, think I play, me come out of a play today. Hi, nice lady. Look like you hardly can go to the bag and you want one young boy help, man. All right, bless up. You buy? Sell. Oh, all right. Let's go.
One of ginger and garlic.
Ginger and garlic. Godfather, come in and on the honey and the scale and the tomato. Yeah, man, see your jaw breaks there. You see somewhere that war. Make we work out a deal today. Eh? Mommy, how cheap tomato go?
600 a
600.
600 a
5.
500 a pound. Sorry, but
Yeah, which one I onion? We have purple and we have a brown on them. I want a pound of this. Oh, you like? Ah, you see scale, eh? Pick out the one them where you want and go through. Mommy, how much my auntie weigh you? How much my auntie bill come to? Yeah. Sell out. 1 pound.
Yeah?
How much? A whole heap of money. We are going on, my auntie. May I give you 1,000 and you cut off some of it? Yeah? May I give you 1,000 and you cut off some? No man, me I give you it. Yes, Godfather. You get a onion, we give thanks, you know. Yeah man, alright, big up and respect here. Thank you. You see that me give mommy there. Eh? Anytime you kiss me? You know long you don't kiss me? Oh Lord. Nicey. As a matter of fact, I left you $50. Me give me $50 too. Jeez and peas. May I get more? Nice, see? And that I say, the Juku don't come so come kiss up my mother all the time. Every minute Juku come kiss up my mother. Can't do no cousin here, no man. Who Uncle Tony? I say go Uncle Tony. Oh, God. What we there? Yeah, man, I say go, man. God is good all the time. Sell, we are say, hey, nice lady. But we can't sell it this morning. 200 a pound to carry it over Miss Blossom. See a lot. Quick sale and small profit. Anybody who is sweet baby, you know, so I don't buy them, I buy and sell, you know. Yeah. So we not go and bad at all. We are slow, but we are take it easy and I go through. We not worry ourselves and things, you see me? So if you not watch so far, please my beg you to like up the video and tell me all like, are you here? Like? And for all like people that don't know about the market life, I say you go. I say you go. I roam in. See you lot over here, so. Great Rasta man. We look at that long time artist. Hi miss. Anything else someone say? Yeah man, what else you would want on the list you don't get it? You get everything already, my church sister?
Take up and send it for me.
Then tell me I want to. So me can take you up. Let me take you up and give you. If you tell me I want. But you shouldn't tell me at all. Probably that try sponsor or what. You know it go. Well, so I just buy off the whole I think them off of the business there.
Sorry.
Hi grandma. Good morning.
You buy already?
You buy already? Everything? Tell me something you not get it. Me say me can help you.
When you buy, I will not want.
Oh, we don't want. Alright then. Me fully overs then. Thank you. Hi Indian. Good morning. You can walk here, come on, you look one over the business I know. Everything that they already we have.
That's some. Get one pound one.
We have a ginger, we have a garlic. Sell out. Who? Somebody want something, mommy?
Come blossom.
$300 a pound, then, mommy. Half pound. Alright. You lady want half pound, mommy. You don't take a pound if you pay for your half?
Yeah, man.
Alright, I pay for your half you. I take it phone. Everything got to go.
Water, play, water.
Check out that.
How the stretchy money is so generous.
I'm a mother.
I feel stretchy money.
I'm a mother, man.
Yeah,
So you want everything sell off?
I stretchy money.
Yeah, I have to stretch it, man. Of course.
Bless you.
Yeah, man. God is good. So that I wanted a $200 car, anti-taxi 2 bills plus anti-taxi 50 plus 200 plus 100. Oh, you're right. So 200 I forget. Whoa, yo.
Me?
Hi, my friend. Me know say no buy everything yet, man. Me could sell you something, man. You see you look like you used to buy. Where you are? Where you not get yet? Nah, I'm play today and I sell. I'm going to sell it now and taxi. Read him up. Let's do this. What the people them there, let's go. Rasta man beat the coconut on the ground first. And full of craft. And they use a knife and cut it. I tell you, man. Sell out. So listen, as I tell you, say my mother this, so all the people them were just join me. Then I market today, my mother go and sell. You understand? We say if we can sell out some of the things, one beat about 1 hour or 1 little bit in here. And see if we can bless up some people. Some people when I have it, we short, and see if we can bust them. And we just keep the thing going for the little time where we are there and I market to them. But we not say all day, because I know you don't want me to say all day. Yes, Godfather, we are saying. Anything over here, sir? All right, my father. Ready? We don't waste no time today. Everything got to go. So big up all Jamaica walk by massive them and I understand. It's a vibe, that's how we do it. We still have the roots in our same way. I work for years to do in the market ourselves, so we are going to get it right away. You know my mother still there, I go and do her thing. Big boss, we say buy everything we need already. You sure? Tell me something where you didn't want, where you not get it. Gone. Rasta man in gone. 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 Who else buy? Come here with your sister. Tell me something we have now, we want to get there. Come in, man, make it right. We are selling more cheap. Cheap. Seal down here, sir. Seal down here, sir. Everything have to go. Barrington, where's a sweet orange today? Where's the sugar? What? A sugar belly you have today? You go on. Come in, grandma. Sell out. Come through, my church sister. Hi, grandma. Good morning. What you looking? Tell me now. Grandma, Miss Blossom, go park.
What, this alone?
Let's go. Where's the Godfather? Where's the get everything already? All right, now see our word. Hi, hello. Buying anything, my friend? You sure? Tell me something you don't have now. We can see if we can help you with it. One anti-taxi. See some nice lady here forward. Oh my. I see them, I just know so I get a little support. Hi grandma, good morning. Oh, are your customer? I love when me hear say your customer them, you know, that way they can help out. Yes. Talk to me. I'm going to help you today, yeah? Today we put mommy on rest. See there, are you a regular customer, man? See, in the top buy all now. How much is that? May I pay for that for you? You know, you see, you're a regular customer, you look like you're not. Yeah, may I pay for that for you? Big up yourself, man. Respect. Just go and buy from your mother. That me I say.
Let's try a match.
How much that me have for you now? 2, how much? 5. Let's go. Yes, sir. I'm if you there. I chew, man. That they are, yes, sir. Sell out. Everything got to go. Big up yourself, man, and go and support mommy here. Yeah, one love.
Every year
is it? That is it, mommy. Sell me yourself. Sell me yourself. Add corner. Hi, hello, miss. Let me sell you something, man. You look too beautiful today for me to sell you. Oh gosh, she smile. Yeah, sell, man. I don't play, man. Yeah, my music selling now, from little.
Stand up in a corner there, so.
Yeah. I hold up me and sell. So then start wow.
Every young girl come by.
Oh God. Nice to go, sweet boy, sweet vice boy in the market. Sell out, we are sell out. Indian, buy everything already? Yeah, man, when you're done, take a look over here, so my friend. Look at see what I go on. Outside with it. Why mommy time I move fast, but I don't see installer, the officer move so fast yet. See one beautiful lady here come, yes. Me see sell pan her, me see buy. Come through me nice lady. Good morning. Look like a customer, mommy. Oh, blessed love and respect. I like when you're a customer, them, you know, the way they can help out.
You're right. China broke every money if you get it. China now make no customer come out.
No, we can't make any customer go. No, we can't do that. Ginger alone one? Why else what we ain't get? When we could have buy for you 5 star?
Nothing.
You have everything we want already? Tell me something you want we not buy it. Me buy for you.
No, me buy my own. My independent girl.
That is very nice, but somebody can have at customer appreciation day today. See one better word there.
Go buy your mother.
Then that me I do man buy everything them have 5 star when she come home and then if they not sell, them I go spoil and we can eat all of them.
They're not spoiled.
No, if we alone can eat half them, if they not sell off, we can't carry them back home. My point.
That's why I want to share it with you.
And that me I say, so I try to share it now. That's what I stay, man. We have to sell. We can't carry home all of them. Sell out. Big up and respect and go and buy from her. Hi, nice lady. Come, we could sell us something, man. Tell me, man. Come in, man. There must be something where you need where you don't have yet. Sell out. Mama says she good. Godfather, big up and respect now, man. Hear me, I say, put mommy sell today. I'm a mother, you know. Yeah, man, so you pass enough, you just run past her, man, if you just buy. You buy everything, you buy everything already?
No, we don't buy everything yet. We still come.
All right, then. I'm in nice lady. Yeah, man, come in, make you get something, man. Something in the house, you don't have it. Something in another house, you don't have it. Come in, my friend. Hi, good morning. Now, bye. Ready, me ready. Barrington over there so with the pumpkin them and the sweet orange. Blouse and skirt.
Yes, Barrington, bring orange, come out those.
Ready, 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 ready.
Sweet orange, my granddaughter.
But you know, we next get on list, mommy. Two with this. No, man, I chop me you, man.
I want orange to my granddaughter.
Mommy want orange for your granddaughter. You know, so me not give you my list. So I'm not even sure where I go on. I have to go find out. Sell out over here, so things are giveaway. Where's the Barrington? Sweet. Sugar belly. Godfather. Yeah, pass through. Anything over here, sir?
Nothing now.
Nothing now?
How much tomato?
Tomato, $500 a pound. But we can work out something to that. He say hi. Yeah. Yeah, my teacher. He say hi. Today I work. Come through, great lady. So go man. Hi mommy. Good morning. Let's go. You look like you wanted two before. Oh, you don't call grandma yet. You want grandma to get two before today. How we are doing, mommy?
Okay. Next time I see you, I support you, but maybe I'm a little friend.
Yeah, man. Blessings and respect. Nothing wrong with that, man. Yeah, man. Blessings, man, Godfather. Heart of love. See? That is it. Tiger bone. Outside. Our next customer this?
No man, see, I just system for
We are sell out. Good morning, morning.
How much upon the onion?
Children, we are dropping cheap. Come in, man, nobody going. You sure? And we work out something. Nobody tell nobody. Anything me I play today? Yes, Godfather. Yeah, man, we could work out something. If you work out something today, you just can support my mother. Some week, Father week. Yeah, how much tomato you want? You want a pound? Alright, take out the one where you like, and me pay for half here. That way you just come back one other week and come support my mother. That is it. Big up and respect for that.
Just a pound.
Yeah, man.
just a pound enough.
Oh, that look. Still not reach it. Even too nice on in there. Are you with that? Oh, you have a bag. That way there, you know, you can go buy all signals. Yeah, man. Me pay for half feet. Here, mommy. Come to my friend, you buy too? All of them things have I start we don't get yet. We there, we work today. You have all of them already? Is it Irish? Oh, you buy it already. How much of me have here now? That brother you won? 250.
250.
We are doing it nice and easy. Oh, grandma, good morning. You done by already?
Yeah, man.
Are you not start yet?
Done, man.
You're done? All right, blessed week here. Happy New Year. Let's go. Me nice, grandma. You done by already? No? All right, wheel and forward. So you say the brother there, what, 250? My gears me going other way there. Yeah.
Morning, Grandma. Yes, Grandma. Coming over.
Hi, my friend. You done buy already? I could sell us something. You sure? Something must where you not get yet, man.
Alright, call me when you're ready. Call me now.
Grandma. Oh, Godfather, yeah, sell. I'm gonna sell it to you now. See you, Lord. Take care again and thanks here, my friend.
Alright, Mama.
See you, Lord. Long as so active. Let's go. Yeah, but you have to sell it. You know, if you're not selling, no money not making. So you have to try get the people there to come back. 400 a pound for cabbage, rough. That's how you go, man. Yes, Godfather, you finished by already? All right then, blessings. My friend are gone. Boy, me not tell no lie, no price. Me not market no normal still, you know.
Wheel them, you know.
Fire no joke thing, you know.
I know joke.
Yeah, you price them, you see them.
400.
Blouse and skirt. Tomato 500, carrot 300. Look, hey. Barrington orange for how much money?
I've seen.
How much a dozen of the orange, Barrington? Blow, wow. $1,000 and 15 pound the orange. Jeez. You have to have money for it. Go through Barrington. Go for another bag of pumpkin. Seal. Seal out, we are seal out. Everything got to go. Auntie Dorino, you look down there.
Alright.
Oh, you look down there. How you going? You see, say you're tired, man. Oh, gosh. You see, she don't feel so well, man. Tomato, them a roll. See a lot. Let's go, lively back up in market. So yeah, massive, who just joined, I don't know, so we're there in a Old Harbour Town market. You understand, me there, me nice to go. Mother, I go and sell for a bit. I my friend, I could sell you something, man. Tell me something you want in the house and I have it now. Customer appreciation day today. She run, God. Godfather, we say finish by already. Yeah, me see you, me think me see you in the past, you know. Yeah, see you in the past, you know. Yeah, me see you in the past. I mean, you know, say Uncle Tony that? Oh, me did the over the other side. Can me do a walk from the whole of them places going to Mapen. Yeah, man. So yeah, as I say, all I must see them just a join, you understand? Then I hold a Town market. We are sell with mommy today. I hold a vibe, I hold a go on like a ease and thing. You know what I mean? Customer appreciation day today, because everything got to go. Come through, Grandma, what you say? Tell me something you don't have now. Make you help out. You get everything already nice, lady?
Yeah.
Sure?
No, you're not my friend.
Eh?
I have a friend, you know.
Oh, you know me? So, that's how we work out something. When we can help you with, when we can pay for you, where the pan stand. When we pay for something for you where you don't get yet. Come in, man. Everything got to go. Ginger and garlic you don't get yet. Alright, so you want a bag of ginger? A bag of ginger. And what you say you don't get it? A garlic?
Yeah.
Alright. Yes, big up and make sure say next week again you know. Alright, just come support. So mommy, how much of them now? Ginger and garlic. $400 that. Alright, big up and respect. That is it. Respect. Hi. One love. I'm my friend. Yes man, customer appreciation day today now. Make we sell everything got to go. Then lady are nice man. Godfather. Make us stop now. Sell we are sell. How much is that there? 400. Nah, make it bill raising, I just go and do it as we go through, you know. Worse, me like when time I hear them say them buy from you already. Them, me like when me hear them say them buy from you. So, they can feel encouraged to come keep on buying. That is it. Work, we are work. Sell out. Slowly them have to go. So next nice day they are forward. Make you see what I go on. So no one China that the China them buy from you though? Yeah. No, what's your name again? Miss Jane. Miss Jane! No man, you can't look and ask man. Look and ask now and go work man. Look and ask now and go work.
phone them at the ring, so. You know me, I buy. So you can't, no, you can't.
Come get the tomato, I pay for half fight.
No.
I pay for half fight tomato for you. Sell more at everything to sell off. Customer appreciation day today.
Yeah, I know. This is how money I can do. I know to me about buy.
Yeah. Then that's why I want to support you today. Yeah, that's why I want to support you today.
So make you not buy all like it.
I them buy all like you then. You want it then?
And you mean I want to buy it? So come back here, I'm sorry.
I go ahead and come. But a serious thing though.
What you want to say? She knows that they never buy from her. So if you hear me go away and say, no, they are going to come.
Yeah. They understand. Alright. We there. Yeah, awesome. Lively with it. Chug it, ready. We're ready. What am I saying? Hi, nice lady. Sorry. Sell out. Quick sale and small profit. Let's go. Hey, she have it sitting there, you know. Sell out. And I say, if me see the bag, me just sell it, you know. When the buyer them there come in nice lady, me see so now look, you know, come make we see what I go on. See all the gen come on here. Godfather, you done buy already. Big up our respect. Gonna come in. Sell out over here, so. Sell out! Chug it! Chug it! See you, Lord. Hi, nice lady. See you looking at me there. Yeah, give me that look there like I said. I know him, you know. Come in, my friend. Customer appreciation day over here, so. Yeah. Hi, nice lady. Customer appreciation day, you know. What you say? Let's sell, let's go. Everything got to go today. Everything got to go. Ready. All is well. You know, you buy already? Come in, man. Yeah, go on. A true, man. So, if you come back, come by, you know. What, I've been seeing one. That means she's not wrong at all. Hi, good morning. Yes, man. Let me just sell a customer appreciation day we having today. Come make we sell. Then come in and more and do it. But you not stop and tell me what you want so I can give you. Let's go. Mama said, jog it! Ready. Don't get so warm. Let's go. See, nice lady here again. See? Hey! Hi, nice lady. Come in, man. Let me sell you something today. Customer appreciation day. Huh? Onion, how much a pound for onion? I give me 300 a pound. Half pound a one. So if you get a pound, I pay for half. You want to pay for I add a half here, and you get a pound, and that me I do today. Cho, pick out the one where you like. Come in. Alright.
Come on a ball out and chug it or something like that.
Your sister, she a sell. Your sister, she a sell. Sell out. Hi, nice lady. Yeah, man, a customer appreciation. Come in, let me pay for half here. Come in, man. Come in, man. Customer appreciation day today. No joke thing, man. That's true, man. Yeah, for my mother. Yeah. She run gone. She think I joke. Let me tell you something. You see, the truth is, you see me can do this, you can get more customer, you understand? Then we come, because I want my mother to sell off every week. You understand the rest of man? Every week I want my mother to sell off. Godfather, nothing? No. Alright, respect same speed, no joke. Hey! Run us so festive! Sell up. You leave her the man and go on. You know go on. Freedom Street. Sell out. I nice lady. She look like a customer, mommy. See then man, and them me like when they forward. Customer appreciation day today no. Okra. Why not forward, you know, because I don't want you to miss out on the customer appreciation day today, yeah?
My customer appreciation day ever active.
See it? Even better today. Double today. Come through my church, sister. Well, look, I can sell yourself. That is it, man. No problem with that. Love it. Let's go. Everything got to go. Hey, sell out. Active.
That look nice, but I
Sell out. Let's go. Quick sale and small profit. We are doing it. Why yellow? Oh. She says she want red on that. How much? How much are this you want?
Baby. Yeah.
A half one hour. You want the pound and me pay for the other half?
Yeah, man, pay for the other.
All right then. I need them for done.
I'm a church sister, not to be
Oh yeah?
church sister.
Yeah, bag? Oh. Let's go. $1,000? Everything come to 1,000?
Yeah.
All right, just give her $500. Yeah, give her $500. See it? You go buy more things. Mommy, see it there? See me make sure. See me give you my $500 there already. No joke thing. Sell out. See, you buy more things. That is it, man. When another day then cost. Now you're there with the excitement, them are come out. Sell out! Because see it make you sell it, you mean? Nah, go back down at town. All over market. Hey, the general are clean, man. How would this clean, boss? Cheese and pizza done by already. Yeah, man, I say you pass. You go if you go now. How you did? Man, big up yourself. You know, say you're a general from we in here, you know.
I know pass like that.
Yeah, make you general pass. Respect for me. Always, man. You say dip on the house today. As always. Big up yourself, man, and take it easy, yeah? Always. Yeah, man, I'm a general that man. From there, you to sell them, man, I walk and I sell them. I mean, normally buy my bag juice and look at juice them from to go and beat it, look at food, you know? All them Rasta, man. Sell out. Mr. Sell, we are sell out today. Let's go. So now if you understand the play, you know what I mean? Me support the people that were buying from my mother, then we support her more because I have an idea of my mother business this. So if me can filter in some spot, she can sell her fast and she will get more customer. Hi, hello miss. Hello. Anything over here? Customer appreciation day we having to them. Big man, they still there on it. Yes man, go and do it, no doubt.
Well sharp kitchen.
Yeah, walk down the whole place and a balance up on head and I can't even turn up on my yard with my full focus and can't balance it.
Well sharp kitchen knife.
Me I tell you man. So as me I say, the more me can get more customers to support my mother, I know a week time, especially when things hard, should we have a look easier, should we get more customers, you understand? So I have to make it be that me there and present. Hi nice lady. One heap sitting there and sell out. Yeah man, I like come see the bag, so like business are going. Good morning. See what I think my customer appreciation we over here, so everything I sell off, everything got to go. Everything got to go. Come true, come true. So, me I try to make my mother business shut, you know. You have an idea? As I say, I feel her hustling this year. So, more customer. Number one, big up to all our customers them we actually buy from her every week. Yeah. Wouldn't mind me book up on most of them today, but me can try do a thing. Hi nice lady. I'm buying. I have some things over here selling, you know. See a lot, see a lot. See a lot. See a lot, see a lot. Everything got to go. Yeah, give me a stop now. Yeah man, make we stop now man. I not get nothing off our customer appreciation day today. Come through nice day, let me see you turn back. You ready? Show me something you want now. So a nice day there, you come through with the buying. What me can get you to them is? You sure? Look on the business good man. You sure? I see you buy ginger and anything there from. See it, I know me name there because I know me could have give half price or something, you know. Customer appreciation day today. Next week. Eh? Don't set me up now, nobody set me up now.
Listen, you say what I want to see me now.
In this?
Right now, pay a feet and I put it on right now.
So in there, so you gone, you run gone?
He more chat too much.
He not serious.
He not serious. Right now, put it on.
He think a joke. Ah, straight.
He never tell me how to put it on.
In there, he say, see you night. Ah. Like down at town, you know, drawing everything over your clothes and gone and lead. Oh, you mean? See a lot down here, so. Everything got to go. Hi, my friend, me see a pass again. Anything we can sell over here, son? No? Oh, teacher, respect. Mommy, everything got to go. No one of your customers is too. Godfather, what you say? Yeah man, you're good? Everything great? No itching today. Irish, mommy, our local Irish got them now and move.
Local Irish done. Local Irish still out there.
She not mad to buy from you? Well, I think about you.
Man, it's kind of stiff antibiotic are working right now.
Oh. Well, tomorrow. You can't wait till tomorrow, eh?
Not at all.
Ready, ready, ready. See you lot over here, son. And that me just set here, say, look, I get a draw down. Hello, miss. Anything we can sell over here? Blessed good morning. Godfather! Everything good? All right, sir. That is it. Bingy, come in, man. Make us sell something, man. Customer appreciation, you know. Talk to me now. What day we have it? All right, then. Go on and forward. I have to make my mother thing load, you know. Get it right, cause I have no idea. If you think them not sell, a straight a yard check here them come. I know so them have food, them not really. I got stay for the whole week or so everything got to go. So me can there and get people them to turn up. Now man, you want a bag, man? You don't want a bag?
Alright.
Oh. So yeah. This is what I normally do back in the day. I come here so morning time, Friday and Saturday morning, and start sell till night. We not top till night. Or when everything sell off. I understand. A market, you know. Hi grandma, buy everything already. Good day, good Saturday. Tell me something that you don't have it. Why you don't have it? We have customer appreciation day over here. Come on, half price and everything. God, my God, how good are they? See, the thing is, a lot of persons probably don't think it's real because, you know, we live in a one time now where people like, don't believe certain things. People can give something for free or kind gesture. At that time that we are living right now, where people don't really. You know, mommy, I realize when I look on somebody and say I give them something, yes, my godfather. Cucumber. But here, take a pound and I pay for the other pound. I pay for half here. No, no, I same thing I tell people, I say, me there, my mother. So take a pound and you pay $100 and I pay for the other 100. As a matter of fact, I'm going on my porch right now and take it. Sit down. See me give me $100 because it has to go. See? I'm not joke thing, man. I tell persons nothing else. You know, we live in a one time where you hardly find people that do look a kind gesture, you know. Yeah, man, so we have changed the narrative, man. Get your pound and cucumber, I can give you this. So here what you have to do, man. You see next time, when you have a little change, you just come give me mother a little support. Ah, just remember me. You see how she favor me? She favor me, you know. Oh, big up and respect here. One love. Yeah. So as I hear where the gentleman say, when me say half price, I can't believe a lot of persons don't do them something. We live in a one time where people hardly give like that, especially random in the street. Oh, alright. Alright, nice stay there. Yeah, man, they want a seat, take a seat, man. I could buy a little things, man. Good morning. Yeah. So that's how we are doing it. Onion turn up. Onion now go so fast still. Carrot now go so fast. But we can't give up. Tomato don't look bad at all. The tomato don't look like them are going. And the tomato then solid and nice. You know? Jeez and peace. I want a big. Yes. Good day, my church sister.
You don't know him today? Are you sorry? Yeah.
Come and say, you look at me like I say, who is this person? I want me look, does someone look different?
Yes.
That's Christ.
She has to look so
And that me I say.
That's you.
Because when she turn and look at me like she I say,
Get it, come back in my head.
me there, man.
How you do?
Now me there pass through, I go and help out my mother sell today. Yeah. You done buy already?
No, man. You can't pass that, so you see tiny.
It now not change, so you have to come back.
You see, you dash me when you have
You
to
see,
Come here, you done buy already?
every time I told me I'm coming.
Lord have mercy. You gonna meet the goods. Jesus. Lord have mercy. But when I calculate for me drive, go down there, we go buy and carry back on.
Everybody say with them, I say, you want to buy that? You want to buy that?
You know, buy it, buy it here and that.
Let's go. Come here, we have customer appreciation day today. So may I see how much I can help you with? Some half price and some sitting. Yeah.
Just listen to him, man.
Godfather, get everything already? Blessings and respect. Let's go. Yeah man, all the stuff then make me see how much I can, much half price and see me can go. And you can just go and buy same way. Ready. So a skeleton. Sell out. So yeah man, Rockstone, I want this, it's a bit, mommy I want this sir. Your mother just left it though? Auntie Taxi just push out. You come here? Oh, how? Me there now, Chuko. All things. If they are going, I sell me, I sell today. You are sell today, man. What do you mean?
If you have video stay inside.
Achoo,
And call the customer then.
Achoo, man. I'm sharing a video, man. But me have video still. Yeah, I have video. Yeah, I have video, man. I show people. More of my mother things sell off. More people them forward in and noir and just come by. Sorry. And come by and them thing there. So you not go on the work today? I work half hour. Graveyard shift. That the shift that me like still. I not tell no lie. I should go.
Try to find a way to work with this smart, you know?
Yeah, me used to love still. Me not like, me never normally like a 7 to a 3:30 or them things. Can't work with that. Then the shit. Yeah, there. Yeah man, I lay the way I see where they sit down right here. So Auntie Tatsi, that my mother's sister, so I'm auntie. For her son that Chuku. You know what I mean? And I'm a good cousin that.
But otherwise,
I want where you get so far, I now cut your argument.
for skeleton and one turmeric. That's a
$400. So that's a $200 for you.
Onion, I get no onion.
How much onion you want? We want purple or regular?
That purple?
Yeah, look at purple there.
I want to eat it for 3.
And 300 for regular. You want half? Oh, you like a big one then? Oh. Try. So this lady, you know, she like the bigger one then. I try to find some bigger one, but
Everything alright.
see it there.
You
Yeah,
know, see same as this of your mother.
I know, so maybe something to it.
yeah, you have a bag.
It's a feel.
You get kissed, brother. I think that's it. Take care, yeah? Oh, God. Take it easy.
You have some business.
You see that?
I have some business with
Look at more cuts. Yeah, man, we outside.
I know for your time to pop kiss today, no, for cheers.
How my time? Switch, we switch. Yeah. Look at workers. Sell out. Yeah, man, we are sell out today. All right, you finish?
Come, give me 5.
All right. Every mickle make a muckle. That know you. You forget $50 too? Eh?
No.
Oh. Best I love you. Let's go and support mommy, yeah?
Never stop.
That's all I want.
true, man. No money today.
See you, way, so.
You know what I'm saying?
Come through, mommy. Anything you want over here?
Okay.
I sell too.
Yeah, man, I don't know.
Everything, trust and believe. It's all done. Yeah, man. Yeah, I'm soon cut. Customer appreciation day soon done. And where is the people them there? Read him up. Let's go. Old Harbour Market. I not so bad. About a pound left out of the purple onion. Put this over there so. And thing. So. Yeah, man. So, it's a great vibe, it's a blessing we're there. I go and sell. I think today not one of the fastest day, but it's still a move. We not complain. You know people them broke. So that's why I have to there today to see what I go on. I go call and get my list. And I can take out them one day. You see me? So, yes, Godfather. Blessed man. So big up to everybody who watch a video and thing, you know what I mean? It's just a great vibe. We're not there too long and sitting. But my mother, that's all I massive them way. Actually, father Old Harbour and a Old Harbour place, you can afford my passage right in the market and buy from my mother. Just see her, see her from Jamaica walk by. And I can support her, you see me? Yeah. Big up to all of my customers them too. Where being a buy and being a support, where we could have do some half price or some full price today. You see me? So nothing wrong with that. That good look of vibe.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, man. My friend, I buy everything already. You get you? Alright then, big up yourself. How you walk past so? How you walk past so?
When me not tell you, when me not tell you, say close time market, because you not sell, because you don't hear me.
Me never hear that. I organ them thing that me are David. So big up. Let me see them lady buy. Hi, my friend. You get everything already? Alright. Sell out. Godfather, you get everything already? Yeah. Sure. Big up and respect.
$200 ginger.
Hi, Grandma. Get everything already?
Yeah, garlic. You know the garlic, Mama?
What you missing? Crucial! Me know, no man. Crucial down the road. No, sorry, be this man from, what name again? Huh? Mr. Solan. So Mr. Solan. Milo, everything got to go.
Yeah.
Yeah, man. Sell out, sell out, sell out, sell out. Everything got to go. No, me ask her enough, she said she don't buy nothing today. Yeah. Let's sell, let's sell, let's sell. Let's keep the market active. Chug it! Well, it look like it had dropped down to that time there, you know, where it's time to go and thing, you know what I mean? It's all blessing to everybody who stay tuned and watch the whole video. Me there in the market, I go and sell with my mother and thing. I go and help out, look a kind gesture to some people and thing. Everything is just a blessing. Same way. We give thanks to everything we sell and we're not sell yet. I nice there, the seal down and so, seal down and so. Let's go. Ready, ready, ready. Everything got to go. Market slow still, but still I give thanks. Carrot, some cucumber, they bought. Sweet pepper, and it looks so bad. Ready. So big up to everybody again who watch the video. If you're new to the channel, member, please subscribe to Jamaica Walk By. If you watch, like the video, please. You see me? So Blessings and love always. You see? Mommy, me not cut it. What you want to say?
Right?
Me a close. What you want to say?
Oh, me big up to my main customer them, you know.
Big up some people.
Yeah, first on the list is Tita.
Tita.
Tita from Bannister, Rona Bridgington.
Tita from Bannister, big up
Tita.
yourself.
Big up yourself, Tita. Miss Bev.
Miss Bev.
Miss Bev.
Yeah.
Yeah, man.
Am I here? Miss Bev.
Miss Bev.
Yeah.
Ron, Miss Bev. And Tita. Rose Mullins.
Big up Miss Rose Mullins. Suzette.
Let me tell you, say, enough of them, you know, good support. Let me tell you about good support.
Every week.
Alison, Alain.
Yeah.
Big up. Right? Continue support. Me tell you, say, without you people, can't possible.
Cho.
Big
Big up man, I said so man.
Jody Black.
Yeah, Jamaica walk by.
Yeah, man.
Big up and respect, bro. Yeah, man.
Judy Black and my friend over there, so Blossom.
Big up Miss Blossom.
Yes,
Big
man.
up Miss Judy.
Only friend in the market is Blossom.
Blossom. I go and press Blossom to go. Watch out to
Friend,
them.
man, and my sister.
Yeah, man, we love her, man.
My sister that, yeah. Big up to Barrington. And I tell you, say, all my subscribers, and big up again.
Yeah.
Subscribe,
Barrington, big up yourself.
son.
What I'm talking to Doreen. You big up Auntie Doreen too already?
Wait, man, if you big up the people that will support you first.
Yeah.
Yes,
No, Joe.
all of my Fabian subscriber, big up on yourself, love on you, and me thank you for everything because
Yeah.
without you, it can't possible for me.
You sound like you want a channel,
Yeah,
man.
oh, you mean? And see me, big up to Brenda, the right banana lady, you know.
Yeah,
Right
big up Miss
banana.
Brenda.
Yeah. Although sometimes she don't give a good price. But big up to yeah, so Tita, Miss Bev, Suzette, Miss Mullins, Alain, all of you guys, big up on yourself again.
Yeah,
God
yeah.
bless you now. God bless you now.
That is
And may
it.
God continue to
Big up,
bless
man.
What's up, my boy?
Good day, all is well.
you.
Yeah,
Mr.
man.
Ginger, Judy. Yeah, go on.
200 pounds scale.
Big up. So on the year,
Auntie Doreen,
Big up,
Auntie
Aunt-
Alvia,
Auntie Doreen. That
yes,
is it.
me and Auntie Doreen sparring now.
All like people, them. Yes, like I say there.
Shop together, we shop
Yeah, man.
together.
I good stop here and make it up. Come in, make half price. Customer appreciation day. For real, mommy, come in. Since you ask, come in. She run. Yeah, people don't really believe, so
And
I
big
give
up
them
to my
something.
driver, Mr. David.
Mr. David. Original tiger.
My driver and my husband still in, but I'm driver.
Yeah.
Be a couple early in the morning with me.
One tiger board, man. Big up. Step further. We're outside. So it's a vibe. And who? Blouse and skirt. Big up, man. Walk one.
No, me I say, me a big you.
She give a big up, a big up.
No, me cannot tell him I tell you right.
Walk one. You don't buy it?
No.
Come in. Make you buy. Today a customer appreciation day for you. Believe it. True, man. Customer appreciation. Yeah, man. With my mother. Come in there. I miss lady. Come in now. Yeah, oh, you're a regular customer. Go on and forward. Go on and come. How much on you want, my friend? I mean, I help parcel to them, and I mean, this is customer appreciation. They have to bag it more, help on the bag it.
Okay.
If I even that.
How much is it, man? 600 a foot.
Sweet pepper rough.
Yeah, sweet pepper was 1,000.
So I say drop.
Yeah, drop no. Sweet pepper was 1,000.
Jaja. So we are sell out.
Big up Lexi, the customer Lexi.
We send a big up Lexi.
Big up Lexi. How much did I do?
Can't left out Lexi, you know.
Can't lift you out. Big up Lexi. You know, say your son call me and said
We don't reach half phone it.
How much is that?
It is looking near it.
It's at 200. No, I'm not say 150. Sweet pepper. $200. It's past it. How much it is? You put in your phone or something like that. Put your phone in there. That's an half phone. Yeah, get discount. Put your phone.
Yeah, man, put your half pound in there, man. Me pay for it, yeah, that. Pay for it. Yeah. I know capping today. Yeah, who know how to like that with you? You done buy already?
I'm a customer. Big up yourself.
Alright, blessings and love here. Take it easy.
Yes, Lexi. Me know say.
Lexi, me give a special big up. No joke.
No, Lexi big up. No, he not in crowd. You know. Lexi big up. Special.
Different.
Yes. By itself. So big up yourself, Lexi.
Figure
Continue
that.
to take care of my one son. You know.
That is it.
Yeah.
No joke.
Yeah.
Look, now I phone that.
Joke for mama. Yeah. My one son, one son, yeah.
Yeah, one son.
One son.
One son.
You know me the full garlic, them I take them.
We there, we there. Yeah.
Just check with your chicken for the discount.
Like the phone now.
We are gone. Right to all the closing. We still a try sell. Where's the right banana lady? Big up Miss Brenda. Yeah, so it's a good vibe.
So give me 5, you know, give me 5.
How you go now? She give you 5 and me give you how much? Me give you 3. Yeah man, just go and support my mother man. Alright. Yeah. So it's been a great day man. Blessings, love and respect here. Thank you so much for support my mother. One love.
That's good, man.
So yeah, that is it. So big up and respect to everybody who watch the video. You know what I mean? It's just a great vibe. As we go and show some love